In this video, we will see some practice question on the concept of looping and function. Using looping concept and function concept, we will solve some question. So first question we will solve: create a function and it takes an n and print your name n times. It means we have to create a function. It takes n as a parameter and function work to print your name and time. So let's do this question. First we need to create a Java file. For creating Java file, we need to write first file name. So I will write question1 with Java extension, which is .java. Basically we will write this code because we have to give confirmation to the VS Code that is this file has Java code. So save, and after that it already created your class name. Class name basically write, we need to write for good practice with your file name, which is your question1 and same as the class name. So again let's move on and write function, main function. we know we we know that this is the basic code of Java, and we are familiar with this code because with that part of code we write on every program or problem. So let's now we have to declare a integer value n. Basically we will give value n. So first we write system.out.println and enter value of n. After that we have to declare an integer value int I. For taking input output we have to create an object of a scanner class. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner. For using a scanner class we have to import that class. So we need to write import java.util.scanner. By writing this code have we have access to this scanner class. Basically Java is a package and util is the sub package of the Java, and in the sub package of util present and scanner class. So for using this object, a scanner object, we need to write sc dot next int, because we have to taking a integer value, so we need to write this int. If you want to take a string value, then we remove this int, but it's give error because your variable type is int. If we want to take a string value, then we should declare this type is a string. Now this line will not give any error, but we need integer value to print your name nth time. So we need to write this int And now we will call a function. So let's first call function which is a name. Print name. We have to call this name, but we have not created any function. So first create function public static void. Your return type void because we don't need to return any value because we are printing only name. So print name, and this print name function, it's take a parameter integer n, and now we will run a loop n time. So for int I iterator is equal to 1 in slash with 1, and its termination condition I less than is equal to your n, and in every step we will increase the value of I and print your name system dot out dot print ln. We will print your name in next line and next line. So give here name technical checkpoint. Here this function is throw an error because this function not declared. We have declared a parameterized function, but here we call a normal function. So we need to give in the parameter body n value of n, and now if we will run this code, then get your output. So let's open terminal and write on the terminal. Compile this first. We need to compile this file Java. So for compiling this file, we need to write Java and your file name. So your file name is question1.java. If you will write this code, your file compile, and now we will run this code Java question1.java. It's giving error. Yeah, error is no source file, now no class declared because it's some terminal error. So let's open new terminal and write here Java question1.java and enter. Here you enter the value of n, and we want to print your name 10 times, so we will give its n value to 10 and enter. And here you can see your technical tag point printed into 10 times 1 2 3. First increase terminal size. Here you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. You 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So now move to the question number 2. Basically question number 2 says print sum of n number. It means we will take as it is n value and we will give output 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. So basically let's create a question2 file. So question2 with the extension of Java, and it's its class name, and we will write main function public static void main string arguments, and we will work as it is. So let's copy that code, scan a file and copy that part and paste over this question to file, and we need to import scanner class we already imported. So after that we need to call function of print sum, and in the parameter body we will give the value of n because we want sum of n number. So let's create function of print_sum, public static void print_sum, and its take as a parameter value of n, and we will run loop n's time. So for write your terminator initialization I less than is equal to n and I plus plus. Here we will declare a variable sum is equal to with 1, because if we will initialize with 0, and in every step we will add the value of I to the sum. So for doing this work, write sum is equal to sum plus of I. This line basically says we will adding the value of I on the value of sum. In the first step, if sum is equal to 0 and I is equal to 1, then here sum is equal to sum is equal to 0 plus of 1. So after that we need to return the value. So here you not try to void basically int. So again return the value of sum, and we need to print this line. Open your terminal, Control Shift and back button, and we will run this code. Question 2, delete this all and open your new terminal and run this code. Java question 2 dot java. Here your value, enter the value of n. We need to want this answer. It means we will give the value of n and we want as a output 10. So terminal, enter the value of n4, and we will here you can see your value of sum is 10. When we again run this file and again we will give the value of n5, it gives 15, because when we add in the value of this plus 5 is equal to 15. Now move to the next question, which is your print factorial of a number. Basically factorial is the multiplication to the n number. It means if n is equal to 4, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, if we will take n is equal to 10, then its give value 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into to the 10. So let's solve this question and create a file name question3 dot java and write your main function. We will take as it is value. So we need to use a scanner class. A scanner class is used to take input as a user from the user. So a scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Basically this parameter body is used to active your keyboard. So system.in, and now system.out.println, enter your n value, and this n value will store in the variable of n sc.next int, and now we will call this the function print factorial. In the factorial parameter body we will give the value of n, and now we need to make your function print factorial function. Public static void public static, we will return a factorial value. So we need to be this function integer returnable. So print factorial, and it take value of n, and again we will run the loop nth time. So for int initialize with 1 and to the n till less than is equal to n, and in every step we will increase the value of I one by one. So increment operator in the loop body, first we have to declare a factorial with 1, because if we will take factorial value 0, if we multiply any value to 0, it's give 0. So we need to be the factorial value 1, because if we multiply anything with 1, it give same value. So multiply with 1, and in every step factorial is equal to factorial into of I, and in the last step we will return the value of factorial. So have a print. Let me first store the factorial returnable value int fact, and again we will print this code system dot out dot println factorial. Hey yo factorial plus fact, and now we will run this code. So open new terminal and write here java question3 java, enter your value of n. We will take as it is same, because we want your answer 24, so we will take value of n 4. enter the value of 4 and it's give 24. If we will give your value enter and value of n 5, it's give 120. If we will multiply 24 to the 5, it's give 120. So for thank you watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more useful video. Thank you.